Oh my
Gege,
god.
Gege. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching me. Today we have new job. Today, what we have here now is Dodge Charger. So it's a strong car and it's a mighty car. And the issue of the Dodge Charger. Meanwhile, though, I bought the Dodge Charger by myself, and the issue the Dodge Charger has that I need to fix is firing. That one is not issue. I will set it out. If I tell you how much I bought this Dodge Charger, you won't believe it. But I will tell you when you inbox me. It's good to know what you are doing. I got it, and I will fix it. I got it in a good deal, and it's a strong car. It's a newer car. So as you can see, I'm checking the inside. Everywhere is neat and tight. Just that it's doing misfiring, and I'm going to fix it. That's the main car. That's the main car. That's muscle car. Dodge Charger is a muscle car. It's a very strong car. So I'm just assessing the inside. I just brought it home now. I'm just assessing the inside, as you can see. So guys, you will join me when I will updating you guys when I started working on it. Meanwhile, it's like I will start working on it on Sunday. So the engine is neat, everything is tight. So join me as when I will start working on it on Sunday. I will still update it on Sunday for you guys to see what I'm doing to check the misfiring, but it's going to be done. Guys, how are you guys doing today? How are you guys? I hope you guys are okay. Happy new month, my people. Please help me to like my video, share, comment. I love you guys. Bye for now. Love you guys. Please help me to share. Bye.